Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty from the Witch's Moon. Comes in a mailer. I'm pretty excited because I got all the boxes out for my 1-year anniversary giveaway. They're all out. Yes. So now I'm going to work on Christmas for my family and the 800 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is a Witch's Bounty for December. Just a disclaimer, this box has been gifted to me from the Witch's Moon, but the opinions are my own. Ooh. It smells good. They always smell good. I love the smell of these boxes. Serpent of Wisdom. Ooh. Beautiful. This is more of a straw. Ooh. I've got a brown one of these this time. Very pretty. Ooh. Oops, there you go. Very cool. Alright. Delicious smelling incense. Mmm, like heaven. Serpent. I can actually see the quartz right there. I'm filming. Daddy's out in the yard. Alright. Ooh. Floral. And then we got a candle. It's yellow. Alright, I'm so excited. So excited. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh. Interesting. Sterling silver pendant with natural Ethiopian opal, carved fossilized palm wood. Oh. The opal's here. And this is fossilized palm wood. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Did I get it like this or did I get it? No, I must have gotten it like this. Let's put that right there so I can read the information to you. Serpent of Wisdom. There are many moments along our journey that bring us to points of confusion and misconceptions. This can be a consequence of emotional entanglement and a lack of balance within our spiritual centers. Through moments of seeming despair and chaos, we continue to rely upon our natural urge to step into states of awareness, seeking answers of wisdom and guidance. As we work with the wisdom of the serpent, we connect with our intellectual guides, bringing us closer to a more fluid, transformative lifestyle. These conscious choices to connect with the deeper meaning of all things brings us closer to true understanding, eventually guiding us through difficult situations and decisions. We have carefully chosen and crafted the items that are placed within this collection to bring balance and wisdom into your daily experiences. Hand-carved fossil palm wood serpent with natural opal inlay. This extremely special pendant has been hand-carved and set into a custom .925 silver setting exclusively for this very collection. This fossilized palm wood dates back 20 to 40 million years ago, made from the palm trees that once stood in the Oligocene epoch. Known for its ability to bring movement to most situations, palmwood breaks through static energy. As the energy from this piece brings fluidity to the energy that surrounds us, it allows natural balance to take place. Another wonderful attribute of petrified palmwood is its ability to push our perceptions of time to the side. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's almost Christmas and I'm drowning. Allowing us to connect to the pure essence of forever. This wisdom allows us to connect to the things that we are currently focused on, not allowing our spiritual minds to be overcome with hectic moments or chaos. Word. I need that. We decided to use the symbolism of the serpent to accompany this very unique petrified wood to strengthen its ability to influence the energy that surrounds us. Naturally associated with occult knowledge, transformation, and wisdom, the serpent connects us to the shadow world in a very unique and beneficial way. The serpent reminds us that we are connected to a divine work, strong and sturdy, and filled with magical intention. As we stand before a difficult task or decision, allow the energy of the serpent to instill a sense of magic into your understanding of your fears and anxiety. We've included a natural opal into the bale of this pendant to help rebalance your chakra centers, allowing a gentler energy to wash through you. This healing stone is a wonderful companion when working towards walking a more purified path. Also holding the ability to relieve depression, opal brings with it a natural light during dark times. We truly hope that this very unique piece assists you on your path towards enlightenment and brings a sense of peace to your energetic body. Affirmation. I hold the magic of wisdom within me. I am connected to its calming strength and guided by its knowing essence. Serpent Magical Anointing Oil. This oil has been created with the intention of allowing you to connect to deeper meanings hidden behind any situation that you may be dealing with on your path. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect with the higher vibrations of your work, knowing that your journey is filled with hidden and secret knowledge, waiting to be unveiled. We have enchanted this oil with oils of patchouli, cedarwood, and aloe vera, as well as a special mixture of our Hidden Truth magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Along with rose and white oak bark, we have included a Lemurian mini course said to teach oneness and used to clear all chakras. Bringer of Balance Ritual Incense Sticks. As you light this Bringer of Balance incense included with this collection, allow the smoke to drift through your space. As it lingers and cultivates the energy you intend to create, visualize your emotions slowly settling, allowing your thoughts to clear. The essence is great to use during times of uneasiness and anxiety. Natural Connection Mini Spell Candle. We have hand-rolled this spell with intentions of providing the needed time to connect with your more elevated self. As a flame from the spell candle, dances before you, visualize your physical self becoming lighter and more fluid, connecting with the natural energies around you. Tumbled Bloodstone. To accompany you on your path, we have included a tumbled bloodstone. This very powerful stone was placed within this collection to act as an encourager, bringing you hope and an eagerness to push through adversity. Keep this stone close as you work through your daily challenges. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Fossilized Palm Agate Goddess Book of Shadows artwork. Cool. We were so thrilled to be able to include a goddess artwork with this collection, resonating with the serpent made from fossilized palm agate. This piece of artwork is exclusive to this box and will not be available for purchase on our online store. Alright. Beautiful. Thank you so much for this box. It's very, very cool. Very cool. The details on the back too. It's got little... Oh my goodness. I'm a klutz. Oh. Everything is okay. Little ridges on his belly. Or her belly. Little eyeball. I like snakes. We used to have a pet snake. Very cool. Little critters. Very beautiful. I love this. Alright guys. This has been the Witch's Moon box for, or the Witch's Bounty box for December 2019. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I very much love this box. This is a very, very cool box that I get. I've been super blessed to get it, and I super appreciate it. Definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and you know, stay tuned. It's my work week, so there may or may not be some material I'm going to try, but it's kind of exhausting, and I know you guys are feeling about the same way. So I hope you have peace, love, serenity in the next upcoming week leading up to Yule. And, you know, blessings, guys. Love you. See you soon. Bye.